In this video, I want to show a dealer how they can set a camera for customers in privacy mode. So using the dealer portal, I'm on a current customer site. I'm on the devices tab. On that tab, I've got a couple of bridges, and this second bridge here has a few cameras. So I'm going to select this camera here, and I'm going to go to the settings. Once I'm in settings, there's a privacy tab that I can select. I will select that tab. First thing I need to do is upload an image that will be displayed to the operator during alarm handling. If I clicked alternate background, I can upload a live snapshot of that camera, or I can upload a specific image that I may want to show. I'm going to click upload live snapshot. Once I do that, it gives me this option. I'm going to hit upload. That's the image that will be set as the privacy background. Once that's complete, I can now go back, and on the privacy mode feature, I can simply press enable here, and now this camera is set to privacy. So any alarms that take place on this zone will be displayed to the operator in a central station with just that still snapshot. Let me show you. I'm going to open up the monitoring portal. So this is the operator portal where the central station operator is now verifying an alarm. So the operator sees that there's a person in the field of view of that camera, but they can't determine what the intentions of that person are. And so they push a verification event to the end user, and the end user from their mobile phone now can see who's on the property. And in this example, I'm going to say call police as the end user from my phone. I'm going to hit call police. And then I'm allowed as the client to permit that operator to have visibility into that site for 1 hour. So once I press allow, within just a moment, less than a second, now that operator can see whoever's in that camera's field of view and on the property. They can press hide info so they can see better and provide a descriptive set of information to the emergency response team or the police department. But now the operator can move through the property and see all cameras on the property and provide that information. Again, these two cameras were both in privacy mode. The operator only had an avatar during the initial alarm processing. The end user permitted that operator to view video, and now for 1 hour, that operator can provide that information to the local police department or first responders. So that's how the privacy mode works.